I'm gonna show you how this table fireworks work. Here you got the fireworks as of originally. You pull off the cone first, then you put it on table, bottom or wherever it stands stable. And now we're gonna light it up. Kaboom! And now let's take a look what we got. That's a nice toy. Here we got a dime, either gold or silver, I can't really recognize it. It looks like a mixture between both of it. And here again a circle, a cycle. Here we got a frog toy. Whack! We got a small cup glass in plastic. Well, that's some sick stuff.